Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how you can repair your water damaged phone. So this is the main board from HTC One M7. This is the phone that was water damaged. So you need to remove all the shields from which cover the chips on the board. The second thing you need is isopropyl alcohol, which is also called isopropanol. I bought this one, I will show you. It's 99.9%. I think you can buy also 80% or 70%. You can find it in pharmacy also. And you need a toothbrush. And of course you need ultrasonic cleaner. I bought cheap one from Amazon, it was like 40 euros. You need to put alcohol inside just to cover your main board. Then you just start. Then you clean it like for a minute or two. You stop it. I find it like it works best for me. Then you take it out like that, and you start. If you see like there is some corrosion, you can see it. If it's, if you can see it clearly, you just brush it. So very softly. Don't put a lot of pressure, just spend a little bit more time, because isopropyl alcohol will not damage your phone main board, it will just clean it. You can use also as liquid, instead of isopropyl alcohol, water, demineralized water, I don't know how they call it, but you can use it also. But then you need to, if you want to dry it fast, then you can use again this isopropyl alcohol. You can also connect your mainboard to your phone without drying it. If it's just in isopropyl alcohol, you can just directly make it like inside and check it if it works. Then just throw it inside again, close it, put it to work. Then do this procedure again and again till your mainboard starts working. Mine started working, but after a while I noticed that it's draining battery. So what is happening now with the phone? It's working perfectly, everything is responding, touch, screen is working, but the only problem is that within the time, like I put it in, I charged it full and I left it over the night, and it eated me like 70% of the battery, because you cannot see it with your eye, but there on the main board it may be some salts or some stains from water. They can make a contact somewhere, and you have actually your, it's eating your battery. So what you need to do is clean it again and again. Even if you don't see the problem, it can be there. And if you're gonna clean it well, maybe you're gonna fix it. Yeah, it's 50-50. Sometimes it helps, sometimes not. I just started and it's my first water damaged phone, but this worked for me, so maybe you can try it and it will help you also, guys. Okay guys, I finished washing it. I will not wait till it gets completely dry. I will just start installing it, and we see. Let's try to turn it on.
Что ты? Малыш, а вот эти вот карты говняные.
Бля, ебаный стыд, я видео записываю, заебал. And finally it works.